Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Video Doorbell with Alexa, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Blink Video Doorbell with Alexa, ensure you have the necessary devices ready. Begin by downloading the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in or create a new Blink account. Next, make sure your Blink Video Doorbell is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. On the app's main screen, tap on the Add Device option. Select Video Doorbell from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on your doorbell. Make sure to link your Blink account to your Amazon Alexa account. To do this, open the Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap on More in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu that appears. Search for the Blink skill and select it. Tap Enable to use to link your Blink account with Alexa. Once linked, choose the devices you want Alexa to control. Now, return to the Alexa app's home screen. You can now add routines or create voice commands for your doorbell. Test the setup by saying, "Alexa, show me the front door." Adjust any settings or notifications in the Blink app according to your preferences. Finally, ensure the Blink Video Doorbell is functioning correctly by pressing the button. You should receive an alert on your mobile device via the app. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Blink Video Doorbell with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.